Welcome back to Pivot Online, your ultimate destination for unlocking the world of online opportunities. In our previous episode, we explored 9 fantastic phone side gigs. Now we're diving into the next 9 so you can expand your income potential in 2023. Let's get this started. Running faceless YouTube channels. First up on our exciting list of phone side hustles is the world of running faceless YouTube channels. If you've ever wanted to dip your toes into the vast ocean of YouTube, but you're not too keen on being in front of the camera, this is the perfect gig for you. You can create and manage YouTube channels without ever revealing your face. What's even more exciting is the earning potential. Some successful faceless channels make up to $3,000 per month or even more, and you can achieve this by focusing on various content niches, like tutorials, reviews, or animations. So, if you're camera shy but full of creative ideas, this hustle could be your ticket to financial success. Google Opinion Rewards, taking surveys for quick cash. Among our roster of profitable phone side hustles, Google Opinion Rewards shines as an exceptional choice. It offers you the chance to accumulate rewards by voicing your opinions through surveys, which can be redeemed for Google Play Store credits or real PayPal cash. This isn't just about financial gains. It's an opportunity to actively engage in market research, influencing products and services while reaping the benefits of your insights. Earnings potential is contingent on the number of surveys you complete and their corresponding payouts. With dedication, this side hustle can significantly enhance your finances while ensuring your voice resonates in the corporate arena. Keep reading to delve further into this remarkable opportunity and explore additional lucrative phone side hustles. Gigwalk, completing local gigs. Gigwalk presents a distinctive and adaptable phone side hustle that revolves around accomplishing local gigs. The Gigwalk app empowers you to engage in a diverse range of assignments, including verifying business information and capturing photos for nearby companies. This side hustle thrives on leveraging your smartphone to earn income while contributing to the seamless operations of local businesses. The earnings outlook with Gigwalk is subject to the intricacy and quantity of tasks you take on. It serves as an excellent means of supplementing your income during your leisure hours, making it particularly appealing if you relish the idea of exploring your local community and aiding businesses in the process. Gigwalk not only offers financial rewards, but also provides an opportunity to be an integral part of the local business ecosystem. As you embark on these tasks, you actively support companies in optimizing their services and maintaining accurate information. Whether you're a student looking to make some extra pocket money or someone seeking to maximize your smartphone's utility, Gigwalk is a unique and worthwhile avenue to explore. So, if you're intrigued by the idea of turning your phone into a tool for both personal and community benefit, Gigwalk might be the perfect fit for you. Instacart, grocery delivery service. A side hustle particularly suitable for those who enjoy grocery shopping. By using the Instacart app, you assume the role of a personal shopper for groceries, selecting items and ensuring their timely delivery to customers. This presents a convenient opportunity to transform your routine supermarket visits into a profitable income stream. The potential earnings associated with Instacart hinge on various factors, including the number of orders you fulfill and the gratuities from satisfied customers. If you're in search of a way to bolster your finances while navigating the grocery store aisles, this phone-based side hustle could be just the solution you've been looking for. Instacart not only provides a flexible income source, but also allows you to lend a helping hand to those in need of convenient grocery shopping services. Ibata, cashback service for groceries. Up next is Ibata, a cashback app tailored for groceries that offers a practical way to earn money through your phone. This app enables you to earn cashback by scanning your grocery receipts and claiming offers within the app. Imagine getting something back for the groceries you regularly purchase. Ibata provides cashback deals on everyday items, offering a simple and convenient method to save and increase your earnings. The more you shop, the more you save, turning your regular grocery receipts into real cash. Whether you're picking up snacks, essentials, or fresh produce, Ibata provides cashback options to fit various needs. It's a straightforward and effective way to supplement your budget and make the most of your grocery expenses. Ibata makes your routine shopping more financially rewarding. I hope you're as pumped as I am about these incredible phone side hustles we're uncovering today. But before we dive into the rest of our treasure trove of money-making ideas, I want to hear from you. What's been your favorite hustle so far? Drop it in the comments, and if you've already tried any of these, share your experiences. Your insights could be the inspiration someone out there needs to kickstart their own journey to financial freedom. So don't hold back. Let's get the conversation going, and who knows, you might even discover more opportunities right here in the community. Keep watching for more ways to unlock your earnings potential. Creating and selling digital products. Are you ready to tap into the world of e-learning and digital products? Our next phone side hustle is all about creating and selling digital products, such as online courses or ebooks. You can use platforms like Udemy or Amazon Kindle to reach a global audience. By sharing your knowledge or skills, you not only help others learn but also earn money in the process. Online courses are in high demand, and ebooks continue to be a popular choice for readers worldwide. The potential income from this side hustle can be substantial, and your content can keep generating revenue over time. App tutorial videos. Looking to transform your phone into a source of income? Our next side hustle involves producing instructional app videos for YouTube. You'll play a key role in assisting individuals in grasping the ins and outs of different apps, and as a result, you can generate revenue through advertisements. The earning potential of this venture hinges on your viewership. However, with unwavering commitment and high-quality content, there are no limits to what you can achieve. Given the multitude of apps available, your tutorial videos can attract a dedicated audience actively seeking guidance. Whether you're an app enthusiast or a tech-savvy individual looking to share your knowledge, this side hustle offers an avenue to make your smartphone a profitable tool and a valuable resource for those navigating the digital world. Flipping items on local marketplaces. Looking for a straightforward yet effective phone side hustle? How about flipping items on local marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace? Whether you're clearing out your space or hunting for unique finds to refurbish, this gig lets you turn overlooked goods into cold, hard cash. Your earning potential depends on what you buy and sell, as well as your knack for finding the right deals and buyers. It's not just about shedding items, it's about uncovering hidden treasures and connecting them with the perfect new owner. Plus, it's a fantastic way to be part of your local community while increasing your earnings. Flipping through local marketplaces transforms your phone into a profit-generating tool, and it's a win-win for both your wallet and the sustainability of your community. Running faceless Instagram theme pages. Now, you might have Instagram on your phone for entertainment, but did you know you can turn it into a money-making machine? You don't need to be an influencer for this. In fact, many people are raking in cash with faceless Instagram theme pages. These pages are dedicated to a specific niche and share valuable content. For instance, Millionaire Mentor boasts over 10 million followers in the business niche, posting text on images created using tools like Canva or Snappa. The real money maker here is selling shoutouts. Shoutouts are basically advertisements for other companies or accounts, and you can charge for promoting them. It's a no-cost hustle once your account is up and running. The potential income can be significant, especially with plenty of companies looking to advertise on Instagram. You can also explore affiliate offers and even promote your products. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.